that this is a national laboratory. If you look around, on the walls and every one of these bays, there's another experiment essentially, or a systems rack that actually keeps the space station operating.
This place is incredible. We've had astronauts living and working on the space station for over 22 years of continuous presence at this point, and it's really an honor to get to continue that tradition.
Thank you very much for all your help this morning.
Thank you for all your help today, and I'm excited to learn more about what we're printing here and see how it goes.
For the last 2 months, I've been working on a lot of experiments, and I recall working on heart tissues. I saw some heart tissues beating in space, and it was incredible. These tissues are receiving medication on board the station, and this can help us develop some medication for heart diseases on Earth.
Sultan, we see that top one beating. Yeah, it looks like happy heart cells.
Every day is truly unique and different. We could be doing anything from spending all day in a glove box working on science experiments to doing science on ourselves.
And this is not a fashion statement. This is actually part of the science we do up here. I actually have a whole suit with a suite of tools that are measuring part of my biometrics. So we are our own experiments as well.
This is actually a cylindrically shaped airlock that we have the capability to put small payloads inside of and send them out to space. So this is our launcher that deploys these small satellites. There's a spring in the back, and that provides the force to launch the satellites.
I think humanity has an innate desire to explore. This is one big part of our constant exploration as humanity.
The very first pictures are emerging from India's rover on Earth's satellite. The Chandrayaan-3 rover has captured the moon's image just prior to touchdown. Extraordinary pictures there. We also have images of the rover ramping down from the lander onto the lunar surface. And the satellite has made history as it was the first to touch down on the south pole of the moon. So there's the rover coming off the lander, and that will go on now to carry out some experiments on the surface of the moon there at the south pole. So fascinating to see what it finds out.
Attention all operators on countdown 1. This is the final go, no go for flight 2 of Starship. Again, our T0 is at 7 a.m. Central. Raptor 1.
Go.
Raptor 2.
Go.
Stage 1.
Go.
Stage 2.
Go.
Copy, go for flight. Clock is rolling. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff. Stretcher cut off.
Stage separation.
we have parachute deployment. You can see just a sigh of relief from the team. I can hear some applause here. There is that orange creamsicle colored parachute, just a delight, a sweet delight to see in our sky here over the Utah Test and Training Range. A phenomenal view, just wonderful to see that deployment. And you can see now the SRC. At last, we have a visual of it on the surface of the Utah Test and Training Range. Front and center there, Stu Wiley, our on-scene commander, and right behind him is Victoria Team. They are both wearing personal protective equipment, gas masks. That's for their own safety as they approach, as there could be potential outgassing from that sample return capsule's batteries heating up during re-entry. You can see him scanning the region. He's checking for any possible unexploded ordnances, UXOs.
Recovery operations. Oscar's performing the unexploded ordnance survey.
And you just heard that he is in fact doing that survey right now. You can see him walking around the SRC. This is the first person to come in contact with this SRC since it was on the other side of the solar system.
Wow, this is so amazing. This really puts our planet in perspective with the whole solar system, you know?
It's truly spectacular. It's one of those natural phenomenon that I just feel so lucky to be here at this place at this time to be able to observe it.
We've even got some folks out here with their own telescopes and cameras to really capture this spectacular event.
Oh my God, this is, I mean, it doesn't look real.
I didn't think I would cry. Like, what the heck is going on?
Wow.
This is,
Wow, it looks great. I mean, you can just see, it looks like a perfect circle of the sun peeking out. It really is that ring of fire that we have here.